Good morning, everyone. This is Popsy Akapojit. If you are diving into ethical hacking or cybersecurity labs, you need a virtual environment. In this quick video, I'll show you how to install Oracle VirtualBox in the right way so that you can start building your own cyber labs. Let's go to the Google first and type Oracle VirtualBox, and you're gonna go over here first, hover into this, and you're gonna click your own version. If you are using Windows operating system, download Windows host, or if you are using Mac, you can download Mac operating system, or you can use Linux as well. So since I'm using Windows operating system, so I gonna download Windows host. So once it gonna start downloading Windows host, on the meanwhile you can install an extension pack which you can have an additional features. For example, you can connect USB port and you can do the disk encryption as well. Just make sure it matches your VirtualBox version. So I'm gonna download that so that I can take screenshots for my record. So now I'm gonna download the Oracle VirtualBox extension. As you can see, the both files have been downloaded. So we're gonna open the file of VirtualBox and it's gonna pop up to install. As I'm gonna click on S. So it's gonna launch and gonna take a couple of questions. It's gonna click next and you're gonna agree the terms and conditions. Click on next. I'm not gonna change any folder, or if you want, you can still do it, but I want to make it as a default. And it's gonna give you an interface warning. So click on next, click on next. It's showing a missing dependencies Python core. So installing the virtual. Okay, click on next, click on next, install. So it's gonna take a couple of minutes. When the installation complete, click on finish, and you can see on my desktop there is an Oracle VirtualBox, so it will automatically pop up. A dialog box of VirtualBox Manager will be open. In this you can see as of now there are no VMs, so I'm gonna start building a virtual machine. For example, Kali Linux. You can install it later, but I'm gonna show it in the next video. For this video I'll show you how to make sure enable the extension for this VirtualBox, for this Oracle VirtualBox. So install, click on the extension we have downloaded. This is the downloaded. Click on and install it, and you're gonna agree the terms and conditions. Click on I agree. That's it. Your VirtualBox is installed and ready. In the next video, I'll show you how to create my first VM from the scratch, and it is perfect for ethical hacking as a practice. If you want to make sure to follow my journey, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss, and add a drop comment if you are facing any issues, and I'll try my best to reply at earliest convenience. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.